Mairapaibi volunteers of Kumbi Setupur felicitated Wahingbam Loyumba, who won a gold medal in the under-19 categories for boys in the recently concluded 30th International NBS Taekwondo Championship at Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, Santipur in Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh during a function held at Kumbi Setupur ground. Loyumba is a student of Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, Vishnupur. Commandant Sumit Sood of 43 Assam Rifles More flagged off a team of NSDC trainees of several schemes Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana for a statewide educational tour today. It is worth mentioning that the training program was jointly initiated by Humanism Foundation and 43 Assam Rifles More. The team will be visiting places like Loktak Lake, War Memorial State Museum, Zoological Garden and many more. The Nagaland government on Wednesday held a meeting with the chairman and village chiefs of the wards or villages of Sadar and neighbouring villages in Dimapur, Nagaland. As per reports, the meeting was held at the Dimapur Deputy Commissioner's Conference Hall, in which Chief Minister Nephew Rio said proper implementation of ILP will depend on grassroots level leaders. He asked the grassroots level leaders for proper identification of illegal immigrants in their respective wards. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today met his Japanese counterpart Shinzo Abe in Russia, Vladivostok. The two leaders pledged to deepen the robust bilateral ties in a number of areas, including in economic and defense sectors. Reportedly, Modi is the first Prime Minister to visit the Russian Far East region. The meeting between Prime Minister Modi and Abe comes after they met at the G20 summit in Osaka in Japan and on the sidelines of the G7 summit in Biarritz in France. Doctors working in different tea garden hospitals of Upper Assam have started resigning following the lynching of 73-year-old physician Dr. Diven Datta at Tiokti Estate in Jorhat district recently. Reportedly, a total of 5 doctors serving in various tea garden hospitals in Upper Assam have resigned following the incident of lynching. Assam Governor Professor Jagdish Mukhi launched the Poshan Ma at a function held at Srimanta Shankar Deva Kalakshetra in Guwahati, joining the rest of the nation. The entire September month is celebrated as Rashtriya Poshan Ma, and the theme of this year is complementary feeding, with a vision to address malnutrition with a targeted approach by 2022. At least 23 people were killed and 27 injured in a blaze in a firecracker factory at Batala town in Gurdaspur district of Punjab on September 4th. The exact reason for the fire is yet to be determined, and the Punjab government has ordered a magistral inquiry into it.